Facebook ads course with AI. Friends, today's topic is very interesting. Here we aren't actually running Facebook ads, but still we can sell products from Facebook's feature marketplace completely free of cost without spending any money. So let us see how the Facebook marketplace works, how can you set it up, how can you list your products and all that stuff. And you are going to learn all of this practically. So stay with this video until the end, because in my many years of experience, I've personally seen many people who sell products and services on Facebook marketplace. Even I have also seen many real estate broker firms who sell the properties, okay? They generate leads for them by using the Facebook marketplace, whether it's the fashion industry or products or services. You can list and sell any kind of category through this. So come on, let's learn how to list for free on Facebook Marketplace, how to sell. I'll tell you all the tips and tricks. Stay tuned. Friends, as you can see on the computer screen, my Facebook profile is open here. So on the left side, the marketplace option is appearing. So I clicked on this marketplace option. Okay, and the marketplace option also appears at the top. You can click from anywhere, and now as I clicked, look here, I can see people's listings. Someone is selling a laptop. Now here you can sell new or used products, anything. So here we can see cars, watches, accessories, clothes, whatever we can think of, all of that is here. It's visible that we can buy or even sell our own things. So what do we need to do for this? Now we have to sell our product on Facebook Marketplace. So we'll click on create new listing. Click here. Now what is it asking us here? What is your listing type? It's showing item for sale, okay? And it's a single listing. And here it's more items to sell. Or maybe a vehicle or property. The property section is separate. Automobile is also separate, whether it's a car or a bike or whatever you have. And the everyday products, whether it's clothes or some other accessories, all those things are available here. So now here, friends, let's click on item for sale. And here we have to follow these steps that you are seeing here. All right. So here we have the option of add photos. Now whatever product you want to sell, that you can upload multiple photos of it here as well. So here it is from 0 to 10, meaning from a single photo to multiple photos, you can add up to 10 photos here. So now I will upload some photos here. So friends, I have kept some dummy pictures for the reference here, like shoes. Okay. So I will upload 2 images here. Now look, we have come here. Let's upload a second image here as well. So friends, I mean to say, in this way, if you have the multiple colors for one particular piece, right, then you can upload them here. So it becomes one product where you are showing multiple colors. So after adding photos here, required title, men, sports, shoes. Here I've given the title, price, 500, category, men clothing and shoes, condition, new. Now let's suppose if you have a used product in any of the category, right? It's used but looks like new. It's used but in good condition and in fair condition. Okay, so in what condition is your product, new or used? And if used, in what condition? You can select from here. Always provide the right information. And if you think that by giving wrong information you can attract a customer once, nothing will happen from that. Okay, or suppose if you get any bad review, rating or something else, then you will be in more trouble. But always show what you are going to sell. It does not matter whether you sell more or less. But if there is a transparency, then your business will grow automatically. And now here we can simply add the sizes, whatever we want to keep. I've written the sizes. Friends, here after setting the new condition, I'll click on more details. Now I have kept the condition as new. After this, I'll click on more details. Boost listing after it's been published. Do you want to boost the listing after it's published? You want to spend some money? It's your choice. If you want to do it, then you can turn this on. It's your choice. If you don't want to, you can turn it off. Okay, now we have done this. We'll do next. Now friends, here if you want to do the listing in any group, there are many groups. So if you want to join in any group, okay, so that your product is visible in other marketplace and you get traffic from there also, then you can join the group. All right. Now suppose I'll join one group here. Done. Now I'll move forward and publish it. All right. No problem. Here it's publishing now. It's taking time. Okay. So we have published it. And when you'll see here, then you will straight away get the boosting option here. The paid option has appeared and here we will boost and do ad spend, then only we will get the reach. So this is also paid, but if you don't want it to be paid, right? Then in that case, I mean if you don't want to go for paid means you don't want to pay. So we came back here and now I will show you the free one. So see, here we can add the sizes, okay? So for example, we've added one size here. We'll write 8. So here you can simply add the different sizes of your choice. Is that clear? So whatever sizes you have, you can mention those sizes here. We don't need to do all this. We'll keep this off. Brand. Description. Best and running. Okay, you should write the description about the product because the customer definitely reads the description. Okay, so you can write the description in 2 to 3 lines and describe what is best. So you can add product tags here, for example, men, sports, shoes, running, shoes, men, shoes, buy, sports, shoes. So like this you can add product tags like this so that when a customer is searching your tag, I mean the keywords, so if they are searching for those keywords, then the product is also shown. So like this you have to add tags. The limit is of 20. Location. Now here if you want to set the location, then you can add the location. In which location, if let's say, for example, here it is Delhi. So here I'll put New Delhi. Is that clear to all? For now I'll put here Connaught Place, New Delhi. So this is location. Now do next. So here you can see that now our listing has appeared in our listing section and it is published. All right. If you want to boost, do that like this. You can add multiple listings here. All right. You can boost them if you want. Otherwise, just add your listings. Okay. And what happens is if your product is genuine, okay, you are offering good prices. Okay, you've listed correctly and used tags properly. Then it takes time because it's free and thousands, even lakhs of people are already doing this. So it definitely takes time. But if you are consistent, then you will start getting the results and many people are generating leads through the marketplace, right? And if you want results, then do little bit of boosting. If you want to spend 100 or 200 rupees, then you can try boosting as well. And like this, you can do multiple listings when you will start getting the traffic. Whether organically or if you are boosting, you can check all the insights and other details by going to the insights section. All right. So friends, and this is our seller dashboard. I mean when you will make some sales, right? So here you can track each and everything very easily. So see how easy it is to list a product on the marketplace. Then you can sell the product. If you get sales, then you can grow your online business right from your home. All right. It's free, easy and simple. If you want to boost, you can do it. Understood? So start using this. There's nothing to lose, you'll only get benefits. You'll get one more place where you've listed the products. Free of cost. I hope you have understood this well. Thank you.